I think everyone can agree that funding for public schools is kind of a critical base to all of these issues, because the progress that we can make is limited by the resources we have to contribute to that progress. You know, funding is inextricably tied to politics. Politics, in turn, is tied to public opinion. One of the biggest problems I see is that I feel like the public opinion of public schools and the faith in public schools, particularly in low-income communities, is as poor as it's been. You know, I feel like a lot of the faith in public schools is lost, and those that have the resources then find ways out of the public school system. So what do you see as a way that we can turn around the public opinion and really get public education to be more of a priority? Because that's where we're going to get the political changes, from the public seeing it as a high priority.
Yeah.
Well, you've both been involved, you've lobbied, you've been involved in the Hill. You can all answer.
I mean, one thing I think, you know, as I said earlier, you know, we actually have so much evidence of what is possible in public education. I think we need to help folks out there understand what's possible. Like, we need to grow the examples of public schools that are making it happen for kids, and then connect our influencers and whatnot, you know, to those examples. And we need to mobilize the parents in our communities to be a force for change. And I think success will beget more resources ultimately, at least. I mean, I think that's what we have to all hope for. And I couldn't agree more that, I mean, we look even just comparatively at the funding situation. I mean, in all honesty, in many of our communities, you know, in many of the most, you know, poverty-ridden communities, school funding is actually not among the top issues. Like, it's not. Like, there are the resources, they're just not being well spent. Here in California, it's an absolutely huge issue for anyone in this work, and we've got to figure out how to solve that problem.